everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very special video because today we're going to be doing a STYLEVANA haul. So towards the end of April, I made an order on STYLEVANA, and if you guys don't know what STYLEVANA is, it's very similar to Yes Style. It's got like that same kind of vibe where they have everything from clothes to makeup to accessories to skincare, and that's what today's haul is going to be about. I bought a bunch of, well, not a bunch, I bought some skincare stuff. I'm a huge skincare junkie, and I've always wanted to try some of the brands that are on STYLEVANA. In terms of like the shipping time, I did order around the end of April, and there was like some confusion with the shipping tracker and stuff, and for a while I was actually kind of worried that my order wasn't gonna go through because of Corona. And yeah, it was just taking a very long time. I was even considering emailing them, but I got my package maybe like 5 days ago. So right now it's May 24th and I got it around mid-May, so shipping took about 3 weeks. This is my package. Okay. Take this out. So right off the bat, the very first thing that I see, I actually ordered 2 of these because this was the product that Hiram here on YouTube, and I'll link his video down below if you guys want to check out his video. But this was the product that I was convinced to buy because of Hiram. And it is the Some By Me AHA, BHA, PHA 30 Days Miracle Cream. It's got AHA, BHA, PHA, which are all like chemical exfoliants, and centella. I decided to go ahead and get it because one of the things that I struggle with my skin is texture. I have a lot of like small little bumps on my forehead, and I have really big pores on my nose, so I wanted to see if this would help that. AHA, BHA, and PHA are all chemical exfoliants. So I'm on the STYLEVANA website right now, and it says that this moisturizer can be used for day and night, and it's good for acne, blackheads, dark circles, irritation / calming, and oil control / pores. I've never tried AHA, BHA, PHA in a cream, in a moisturizer, so I'm very excited to try this. So it was actually on sale for $18.09. Okay, so the next thing that I see in the box is the iUNIK Black Snail Restore Serum. And I've heard a lot of good stuff about iUNIK, and I love serums. Serums are actually, I would say, like my favorite part of my skincare routine. Like I have like 4 serums that I alternate on a day-to-day basis, and then on top of those 4 serums I probably have like 2 more serums that I just have on the side. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to try this. I've never tried anything with Black Snail. On the website it says that this product can be used for day and night. It is an essence / serum, and it's good for anti-aging, wrinkles, dryness / hydration, sun damage, and whitening. It's also good for combination dry, normal, oily, and sensitive skin type. The iUNIK serum is going for $13.08. So the next product that I see is the Centella Green Level Buffet Serum, and I decided to get this because, like I said, serums are my favorite part of my skincare. And I know that centella is good for like protecting your skin barrier. Okay, so the packaging is actually very hard to read, but I'll try. It says, this is a nutritional serum that protects the skin from the outer environment by soothing the skin and enhancing the reinforcement of the skin barrier. It has been prescribed only with the hand-picked green grade highest quality ingredients, and it is suitable for sensitive skin. I'm excited to use this because I also have never tried anything with centella green extract. So I'm excited to see like how it's going to work on my skin. And this is from the brand Purito, and I've also never tried anything from this brand, So I'm very excited. The Purito serum is selling for $10.79. Okay, so the next thing that I got was the Laneige lip sleeping mask, and I got it in apple lime. It was also, I believe, on sale when I bought it. I'm not sure, but the price on my receipt says $12.79. So I'm very excited about this because in one of my previous videos, I think it was my vlog, I'll link it down below, but I mentioned that I have been struggling with like dry lips, and with wearing a face mask for work and everything for like 8 hours each day, it has just been making my dry lips even worse. I've been drinking plenty of water, I promise, but yeah, that's like the situation with my lips. And one of my best friends, Angela, she actually recommended this brand, this product, and I decided to go ahead and try it out. I'm very skeptical about it because I've used a lot of lip products before, but I've never tried this brand, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so those were all of the products that I bought, but when I was making my order, there was an option to get a mystery gift, or 2 mystery gifts, and I went ahead and got it, and I see them right here. These are the mystery gifts. They're little sample sizes. So they sent one of these little sample packets of the Frutia Blueberry Hydrating Intensive Cream. I guess that this could be used for both day and night. And I know that blueberry is a really good antioxidant. I've not heard of this brand before, but on the website it says, so for this moisturizing cream, there's 2 options. Okay, so you can get the 10 gram for $10.99 right now, or you can get the 55 grams for $27.99. And yeah, I'm excited to see how this goes. The next product is this La Biote Dear Linden Home Deep Moisture Softener, and I was actually trying to go through the website and try to figure out like what this product is and learn more about this brand, and I realized that this is actually a toner for men. At least that's what I'm understanding from the different websites that I'm like looking at right now. But I opened it and it smells so good. I might give this to my boyfriend, or I might just keep it for myself. I don't know, like I don't have enough toners. I probably need more toners actually. And I might just try this out. Like, I don't know, it smells really good. And I feel like a lot of skincare shouldn't be just for men or just for women. I don't see the harm in trying this out. I can't really like tell you much else because it's all in Korean, like this little backside. But this is interesting. So if you guys wanted to try this product out, they have the bigger size. It's 130 ml and it goes for $24.89. Okay, so the next product that they sent was this little sample of iUNIK Live Lift Serum. And looking at the website, this product is actually pretty expensive. The 40 milliliters goes for $55.89. And it is a serum. It says it's good for anti-aging, wrinkles, dryness / hydration, and sun damage. It's good for combination dry, normal, and oily skin. And oh god, I got so many serums in this haul. But I'm excited to see how this works out. I've not tried anything, and I haven't even heard of this brand before. But then again, I am just like now getting into like deep into this Korean skincare field. Yeah, so I'm very excited to try this, especially if like the actual product itself goes for such a high price. I wonder if it's worth it. Okay guys, that's it for this little skincare haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're all staying safe during this pandemic. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more content from Nest the Mess. See you guys in my next video. Bye!